Hello, champ. Congratulations on clearing the NOS Level 1 exam. Welcome to India's most awaited and award-winning Olympiad finale, the NOF Champions League. We've prepared 4 sample papers, 40 questions each, with 3 video solutions to help you perform your best. Watch carefully, take notes, practice, and excel. Here is your critical thinking sample paper with solutions.
Hello champions, congratulations on clearing round 1. Now let's continue sharpening our logical thinking with sample paper 3 of critical thinking Olympiad practice. Read each question carefully before choosing the answer. So let's begin. I'll explain you each question and then I will tell you the correct answer. Question number 1. You are packing a suitcase and it's almost full. What's the best way to fit more items? A. Fold the clothes neatly. B. Leave the suitcase open. C. Add heavy items on top. And D. Take everything out and repack randomly. The correct answer is option A. Folding clothes neatly saves spaces and allows more items to fit. Question number 2. Tom had 10 candies. He gave 2 to Sarah, 3 to John, and 8 to himself. How many does he have left? So, first he had 10 candies, then he gave 2 to Sarah, then he gave 3 to John, and 8 2. So, if we add these 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. So, and 10 minus 7, it's 3. So, correct option is option B. It's normal subtraction and addition. Question number 3. If a penguin is a bird but cannot fly, what makes it a bird? A. Its ability to swim. B. Its wings and feathers. C. Its color. D. Its ability to live in cold places. The correct answer is option B. Penguins are birds because they have wings and feathers. Question number 4. Which animal is found both in water and on land? A. Dog. B. Fish. C. Frog. D. Eagle. The correct answer is option C. Frogs can live in water and on land as amphibians. Question number 5. Which of these can go again? Question number 5. Which of these can grow back after being cut? A. Tree branches. B. A wooden table. C. A rock. D. A plastic bottle. The correct answer is option A. Tree branches grow again because trees are living plants. Question number 6. If it's night time and the sky is clear, what might you see? A. Rain. B. Sun. C. Stars, and D. Kite. The correct answer is option C. Stars are visible in the night sky. Let's move on to our next question, which is question number 7. What does a caterpillar turn into? A. Snake. B. Butterfly. C. Spider, and D. Frog. The correct answer is option B. Caterpillars transform into butterflies during metamorphisms. Next question is question number 8. The sun sets in the dash. A. East. B. West. C. North, and D. South. The correct answer is option B. The sun always sets in the west. Question number 9. Which of these animals eats grass? A. Eagle. B. Rabbit. C. Snake. D. Rohan. The correct answer is option B. Rabbits are herbivores that eat grass and plants. Question number 10. Which of these objects floats on water? A. Rock. B. Plastic bottle. C. Metal spoon. D. Brick. The correct answer is option B. Light empty plastic bottles float on water. Let's move on to our next question, which is question number 11. Which comes first, planting a seed, watering it, or seeing a tree grow? A. planting a seed, B. Watering it, C. Seeing a tree grow, D. Less information. The correct answer is option A. Planting a seed is a first step. Question number 12. Which of these animals can fly? Can fly. A. Ostrich, B. Penguin, C. Eagle, and D. Kiwi. The correct answer is option C. Eagles are strong flying birds. Question number 13. If you take 10 steps forward and 4 steps backward, how many steps have you moved forward? So, let's do it. 10 steps forward and 4 steps backward. So, we'll do a subtraction. So, it will give us a 6. So, the correct answer is option A. Question number 14. If all dogs bark and Max is a dog, what can you conclude about Max? A. Max is small, B. Max barks, C. Max is quiet, D. Max is cat. The correct answer is option B. Since Max is a dog, he barks like other dogs. Question number 15. If the electricity in your house goes out and your phone is about to die, what should you do first? A. Turn on a flashlight. B. Use your phone until it dies. C. Save the phone battery for emergencies. D. Call your friends to complain. The correct answer is option C. Saving battery ensures you can use your phone if needed. Next question, question number 16. If gravity suddenly stopped working on Earth, what would happen to everything? A. Everything would float into space. B. Everything would grow taller. C. Everyone would feel heavier. And D. Nothing would change. The correct answer is option A. Without gravity, objects would float away. Question number 17. Which of these animals is most likely to live in a tree? A. Peacock, B. Snake, C. Monkey, D. Hen. The correct answer is option C. Monkeys spend most of their time in trees. Question number 18. If you eat breakfast, then lunch, what should come next? A. Breakfast again, B. Dinner, C. Snack, or D. Midnight meal. The correct answer is option B. Dinner. Next question, question number 19. Why does ice melt faster in the sun? A. The sun is hot and gives energy to the ice. B. The ice disappears because of the wind. C. The sun scares the ice. D. The ice absorbs sunlight and freezes more. The correct answer is option A. The sun's heat melts the ice quickly. Question number 20. If the North Pole is cold, what is the South Pole? A. Hot, B. Cold too, C. The same as the equator, and D. Rainy. The correct answer is option B. The South Pole is also extremely cold. Question number 21. If your classmate forgot their homework and asks to copy yours, what should you do? A. Let them copy it so they don't get in trouble. B. Say no and explain that they should do their own work. C. Ignore them. D. Tear up your homework. The correct answer is option B. Say no and explain that they should do their own work. Question number 22. What happens if all trees are cut down? A. Air will stay clean. B. There will be less oxygen for animals and humans. C. Animals will have more homes. D. Nothing will change. The correct answer is option B. Trees provide oxygen and homes for animals. Question number 23. If all fruits are healthy and an apple is a fruit, is an apple healthy? A. Yes. B. No. C. Impossible to answer, and D. None of the above. The correct answer is option A. Yes, since apple is a fruit, it is healthy. Question number 24. There is a bridge that can only hold one person at a time. If two people try to cross it together, it will break. How can a group of people cross safely? A. By crossing one at a time. B. By running very fast. C. By jumping over the bridge. D. By holding hands. The correct answer is option A. By crossing one at a time to stay safe. Question number 25. What is the best thing to do if someone is lost and asks you for help? A. Ignore them because it's not your problem. B. Help them find a trusted adult or call for help. C. Laugh and walk away. D. Give them directions even if you don't know the right answer. The correct answer is option B. A trusted adult can safely help them. Question number 26. If your friend borrows your favorite toy and breaks it, what is the best thing to do? A. Get angry and stop talking to him. B. Ask them to replace the toys and discuss how to be careful next time. C. Take one of their toys without asking. D. Ignore it and never lend them anything again. The correct answer is option B. Politely asking them teaches responsibility. Question number 27. How do you know if someone is truly sorry for their mistake? A. They make the same mistake again right away. B. They apologize sincerely and try to fix their mistake. C. They blame someone else for what happened. D. They don't talk about it at all. The correct answer is option B. True apology includes correcting behavior. Our next question, question number 28. What do you think will happen if there are too many cars on the road? A. The air will become cleaner. B. Traffic will move slowly and the air might get polluted. C. It will be easier for people to find parking. D. People will start walking instead of driving. The correct answer is option B. More cars causes more pollution and traffic jams. Question number 29. Why is it important to listen carefully when someone is giving directions? A. To make sure you understand where to go. B. So you can ask them to repeat it many times. C. To show them you are busy and don't have time. D. So you can ask someone else later instead. The correct answer is option A. Listening helps you correctly follow directions. Question number 30. Which of the following would not be considered a good solution if your pet is hungry? Would not be considered. A. Feed your pet with appropriate food. B. Ignore your pet and keep playing. C. Check if your pet's food bowl is empty and fill it. D. Ask an adult to help if you don't know what to do. The correct answer is option B. Just a second. Okay. Continue again. Question number 31. What do you think will happen if we cut down all the trees in a forest? A. The forest will grow back the next day. B. The soil will become richer and plants will grow faster. C. More people will plant gardens in their backyards. D. Animals might lose their homes. The correct answer is option D. Animals depends on forests for shelter. Let's move on to our next question. Question number 32. If you see a classmate being treated unfairly, what should you do? A. Stand up for them or tell a teacher. B. Pretend you didn't see anything. C. Join the others in treating them unfairly. D. Tell them to handle it themselves. The correct answer is option A. Helping stops bullying and supports fairness. Question number 33. How can you tell if someone is being unfair in a game? A. They cheer for everyone playing the game. B. They share their turns with others. C. They explain the rules before starting the game. D. They keep changing the rules so they can win. The correct answer is option D. Changing rules for winning is unfair. Next question is question number 34. Why is it important to take turns when speaking in a group? A. So everyone gets a chance to share their thoughts. B. To make sure one person speaks all the time. C. To let people forget what they wanted to say. D. So people will get less tired. The correct answer is option A. Turn taking ensures fairness and respect. Question number 35. What might happen if no one follows the games? Again, I'm really sorry. Question number 35. What might happen if no one follows the rules in a game? A. The game will be more fun and organized. B. The game might become chaotic and unfair. C. Everyone will agree and play happily. D. The game will continue without any problems. The correct answer is option B. Question number 36. Why is it important to be honest even when it's hard? A. So people will always trust and respect you. B. To make others feel bad. C. To avoid doing the right thing. D. So no one will find out the truth. The correct answer is option A. People trust and respect you. Question number 37. You see dark clouds in the sky. What will most likely to happen next? A. It will snow. B. It will rain. C. It will be sunny. D. The sky will turn green. The correct answer is option B. Dark clouds mean rain is coming. Question number 38. Why should you not run on a wet floor? A. You might slip and fall. B. You might get your shoes wet. C. The floor will dry faster. D. It's boring to walk. The correct answer is option A. Wet floors are slippery and dangerous. Question number 39. A lion and a rabbit see the same pile of grass. Who will eat it? A. The lion. B. The rabbit. C. Both of them. D. Neither. Correct answer is option B. Rabbits eat grass, lions eat meat. Question number 40, our last question. If a balloon has a small hole, what will happen? A. It will float higher. B. It will pop. C. It will slowly lose air. And D. It will make more balloons. The correct answer is option C. Air leaks slowly through the hole. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep practicing and all the best for your exams.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.